Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be discussing a really quick and easy way to fully moisturize and hydrate your locks. Make sure you head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and hop on today's sale. Today's sale, you can buy one, get one free. Site-wide, every product is buy one, get one free. Make sure you use the code SITEBOGO. Now this code is only available to the first 100 customers, so make sure you hop on it. This is probably obvious. Wash your hair, wet your hair, rinse your hair. I don't know, a lot of us are quick to pick up a spray bottle and mist our hair. But consider the fact that misting your hair, no matter how much you spray it, it's not going to fully saturate your hair the way your hair gets fully saturated when you wash it or when you rinse it. If you're dealing with dry, brittle locks, maybe you're not washing your hair frequently enough. Or maybe when you are washing your hair, you're using really harsh stripping shampoos every single time. So if that's you and you're using really harsh shampoos, consider using moisturizing shampoos instead of the clarifying shampoos sometimes. And if that's you who only washes their hair whenever you go to your loctician, or maybe you wait 6 to 8 or more weeks before you wash your hair, this probably applies to you too. If you're concerned about losing your retwist, try putting your hair in rope twists or braids before you fully submerge it. That way your roots are stable. If nothing else, make sure you spend more time getting your hair fully submerged, fully drenched in water, because water is our source of moisture for our hair. I have more tips to come. Make sure you head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and hop on today's sale. Today's sale, you can buy one, get one free. Site-wide, every product is buy one, get one free. Make sure you use the code SITEBOGO. Now this code is only available to the first 100 customers, so make sure you hop on it. And remember, if your locks are dry, it's because you're lacking moisture. Where does moisture come from? Water. And if you're not catching this video when it's new, that's okay. Make sure you head over to KeishaCharmaine.com anyway and see what offers are available to you now in real time. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.